Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question from Shengru Tevling in Sweden, and this question has been asked in Afghanistan as well. What are they asking here? They are telling us there are three different routes from city A to B. So suppose this is city A, this is city B. There are three different routes. One, two, three. Three different routes, right? There are five different routes from B to C. One, two, three, four, five. Right? Five different routes from B to C. Ahmed travels from city A to C. Ahmed is traveling A to C via city B. So he is going from any of these routes. Okay? Like from A to either he will take this first A to B, and then he has five options, right? He wishes to return to A via city B or via route that is not the completely same. So that means he wanna come through via city B only, but from a different route. How many possible routes he can choose for his return trip? Okay. Now you tell me. Suppose he take first route. Okay. After taking first route, he has five options. Five. After suppose he takes second route, this one A to B, this one, then also he has five option, another five. Suppose he take third route, then he has five option. So total there are 15 routes, right? Or you can say 3 times 15, he has 15 routes. But they are asking us, what is the question? Now read it properly. How many possible routes can he choose for the return trip? And he says he wishes to return to city A via B by a route that is not completely the same. Route should be different. There are 15 routes. He already used one route when he was going to city C, right? Now he is coming back, so he can choose from 14 routes. So what is our answer? Our answer is 14, right? This was not hard question. It was very easy. We just need to observe the situation, understand it properly, and look at the question carefully, right? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. Bye bye.